Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So on the last video we have covered how we can create a table inside the SSMS. So it was simply like you are going and creating a table. What if we already have an Excel sheet and you want to load that same thing inside the SSMS? So for that, just go to the data base that you want to load the data into, right click it, go to this task section, and on the bottom you can see this import data. So just click this import data and it will pop up. So yeah, this is an import and export wizard. Just click next, and inside this you have to mention what data source you want to pull the data from. So our data source will be an Excel file. So just use this drop down and just use this Microsoft Excel. So you have a lot more options also. Just use this Microsoft Excel for now. It will ask which path you want to choose. So we will have a talk about this also. So now when you open and try to upload an Excel sheet, it will show you an error. Okay, so for that what you have to do, so this is the exact data set that I had there. If I try to open it and press next now, so it will show me this error, the operation could not be completed. So how you can resolve it? Just go back to the Excel file. Okay, let me go back to the Excel file where I had this Excel one. So now you can see that I had this one Excel and this one Excel. So this is the Excel file that was showing an error, and it had okay, so all the columns there. So the only problem arises is with the version thing. Okay, so how you can control it? Just go to this file and just use save as and browse it and save the same thing here. Just in the drop down section select this Excel 97 2003 workbook. So if once you select it and save it, after you are done, it will sort of look like this. So this one on the top, you can see it sort of look like this. Now what I will do, I will go back to this and again I will browse a new file. So this is the 97 2003, if you can see on the right hand side. Just open it. Once you open it, it will automatically pop up. This is in 97 2003 and press next. And here we are connecting to our client, and so I will directly use this window authentication, and the database name is testing, no change here. So I want to copy one or more table. So if we have more than one table, so I have two sheets on it, so I will just write one or more table, and now you can just accordingly you can define it. So I want to use this two tables, so I will select both of them and next and run immediately. Yep, and finish. So yeah, now you can see that everything is successful. Just close it, go to your database, first refresh it. After you refresh it, now go to this tables, expand it. See, now this return and order table is here, right? And now what we can do again to see the data, select this top 100 data, and if you see, we have all the data are there. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.